Good morning. This is Sabrina. Penny loves reborn dolls. And guess who I have with me today with his blue tennis shoes on and turquoise? I got my little man, Prince Leonardo. Boom, 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 boom. Prince Leonardo, what are you doing? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, he's playing with his toy car. He has me busy today. He just wants to play, and I'm trying to get my work done, and he wants to play. So what are you doing? Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yes, I know he's all excited. I took him the other day. We made a video. We never did get it uploaded, and he wants to see it. Boom, boom. He wants to see it again. So while we're watching it again, I'll share it with you. You all just like, comment, and subscribe. If you like little Leonardo's, is that a Corvette? I guess it's a Corvette. Anyway, he thinks it's so cool, don't you, Leonardo? Uh-huh. Anyway, he's a wobbly little reborn that I have gotten, that I got off of eBay from Joe Granny, 1955, and I've had him quite a while. Look at his wild hair. And I hope you all enjoy the video. And thank you for watching. Be blessed and have a very blessed day. Tell him that, baby. Huh? Tell him have a good day. Huh? Tell him have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Well, he had to give a kiss. All right, guys. See you later. Sabrina Penny loves reborn dolls. Penny loves reborns. Sabrina Penny loves reborn dolls. And I just wanted you to see our little gold treasure here in this little small town. I know you recognize some of these cars, especially maybe Papa. Papa, you probably recognize some of these vehicles. Nana, is he looking at it? There's an old Corvette. You know how everybody has their little hobbies? Well, men have their hobbies too. So some of these women do. Aren't these beautiful, you all? Look at here. I might be going pretty fast. I don't want them to come out and ask me, do I want to buy a car? I can't afford these cars. I don't know what kind of car that is. That's awesome. Pontiac Chieftain. Wow. Look at these guys. Look at that. I love it. They're so pretty. Wow. 1951 Ford. Wow. Old Chevy truck. And this is in the little town of Kentucky. Hey, I'm just letting the guys on YouTube see some of our nice things we have in Kentucky. Thank you. It's called Central Kentucky Classic Cars. And let's take a quick look at these. Oh, wow. I like this one. Heartbeat of America Chevrolet. 1967 Chevy Chevelle. SS9396. This is an old one. Guys, these people really love these vehicles in this town. And these are not all of the older ones we have. But God, what day it is, but they meet at the Rock, which is a Christian restaurant. Here's Nova. They have one of these emblems in Planet of the Apes that they named a little girl Nova off of. You guys need to check out that movie. historic motor vehicle. This is a little quiet town that I live in. We may not have much, but we do love our antiques and we have our hobbies. We have our doll hobbies, which most of us enjoy. And we still have a Jerry's restaurant. We serve nice breakfasts, lunches, and dinners. Everybody calls it home cooking. Jerry's restaurant. And here's my old buggy. My baby Jeep. I'll show you something else further downtown. There's more to it. We're studying historic cars today. Check you out. Be right back. Okay. Whoops. Almost dropped the phone. I'm further downtown in Paris. Just might as well tell you. And as I was talking about, we have a lot of people here that use their antique cars. And they call it the Cruising Club. So they'll be having their second annual Cruising for the Veterans Friday from 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock. And the proceeds are going to go to the disabled American veterans. And there's my cruiser. Let me see. I just want you all to see this because we don't have all the cars out, but they have so many in. See, there's Bourbon Street Cruisers, Courthouse Classic, and there's their 2018 schedule. So they'll be appearing at a lot of places. Now, this used to be an old food store. There's an old train. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I'm going to go inside in a minute and see what's going on in there. I don't have but a few minutes, so downtown, there's Wesley's place. There you go. Budville Motors, LLC. They have this place right by a car wash because they like to keep their cars clean. Let me get back in here right quick. I have about 7 minutes left. Let's see if I can run through this store in 7 minutes. If not, I'll have to record the next part another day. How about that? Look what's looking at you. Still got an Arizona license plate. I don't remember those kind of wheels. Hi. I'm fine. Just looking at the vehicles. I won't touch. Look at this. I don't even know what this is. Look at the inside. I should look at the inside. Man, cut that off by mistake. This is a Chevrolet. I don't know much about the difference. Here's a current trophy winner from the cruises. These cars I've seen on the road. They have them parked inside today. Look at this. Check out the gangster walls. Oh, I have to come back again, guys. This is just too much. What do you think? There's so much stuff in here, I don't know what to look at. Look, get the inside this. They was riding in style back then. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at the boot. I hope some of the girls that watch my videos, Ruth and Just Bippy and Asha, Pickles and Tea, I hope you all are watching this. And Bella Blessings, I know you like to look at vehicles. Look at this. I'm totally amazed. I could come in here. This is a 1963 Ford Falcon Ranchero. Wow. The people put all just time and look at that old color that the cars used to be. I can't place that color though. It's a ranchero. I don't know. Was this the beginning of the SUV? I don't know what kind of car it is. Oh, wow. It's a Volvo. That's what we're looking at. I got about 4 minutes left. 1972 Volvo 1800 ES Ricardo. I think this is something like it's a Pontiac. They've got current tags on them, guys. They have current tags, like 2018 tags. It's a Pontiac. I don't know. Pontiac what? Pontiac Formula Firebird. It's in real good condition too. For 1991. This might be the last one I'll get to peep inside. I love this red interior. Wow. And it's white. And this got a long nose. It's a Chrysler 300. Look at that. But what year? Hey guys, tell me if you like this video, if you'd like me to come back and show you some more. It's a 1979 Chrysler 300. No wonder I like that Chrysler 300. Look at that. Too much. My cousin has one of these. I forget what you call it. He had it shipped to California. Look at the seat in the back. This one's roped off, so I can't get in there and let you see the front of it. It's a Ford. This one here, they're working on it. Wow. We've got some history in this town. Anyway. She's a beauty. The little red truck. What is it?
It's a 54 Chevy.
54 Chevy. They're probably going to blow my channel up. We like things like I told them I like things like this. Oh, it's just so much around here. This is a 1964 Plymouth Fury. Look at that engine. Ooh-wee. I'm seeing 2 carburetors. I know it's what those are. Wow. I better get out of here. I'm supposed to be going grocery shopping. So much for grocery shopping. I'm just enjoying the day with all my friends. Look at that Greyhound. 1934 Ford 3-window coupe. That's what I'll end this video on. Go around the side. Look at that. It's only 3 windows, guys. Can you see the interior? And the boot. Time's almost up. This is awesome. Okay. Again, a trophy winner. Let's see if I can let you see the engine right quick. Okay. Bye-bye. From Sabrina. Penny loves reborn dolls. Bye.